I'm reviewing this candle sand, and I saw the name brand stuff, Photon candle sand, but I wanted something cheaper. This was a 2.2 pound bag, and I still have a lot left over, and it filled this 3 feet by 1 foot charcuterie board tray. It came with 10 wicks. I've lit these a few times. You can see, like, these wicks have little metal at the bottom of them, but that's what happens after you light them. I did have to trim the wicks. They're really long. The wicks it comes with are really long, whereas like the Photon candle wicks are just like this tall, but they have metal with them, which will kind of can help protect your tray, I guess. It's really pretty. It's unscented, so you could scent it yourself, or I wanted white snow for a snowscape. It's a plant-based candle wax. I let it melt till you could see the board underneath. Need to get a spatula to get that off, probably. Shoveling the snow. Gotta sift my snow clumps out. But honestly, if you want to reuse it, like if you just hide those pieces underneath there, I don't think it has to be perfectly perfect. That's all that's left of that wick that burned down. It's a fun grown-up sensory table stuff. I see people use this for weddings. But yeah, if you want to save money or you want to make your own custom scent, you can just buy this, and it comes in different colors. I bought white. And then, yeah, you're supposed to take these out and then put in a new wick. So, hope this helps you know if it's something you want to buy. It made a really fun Christmas candle sensory table. Yeah, super fun. I've definitely been playing with it, you can see. It's really fine little pearls.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything. If this review helped you, we'd love a super thanks. Even just $1 or $2 really helps us out. And also buy the product using our links, and hopefully we'll be able to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.